In recent times, a concerning issue has emerged, casting a shadow over the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Reports reveal a disquieting reality. Approximately 8 electric cars per day are catching fire in China. This isn't merely sensationalism or clickbait. The facts bear this out. Lives have been tragically lost, and countless electric vehicles have succumbed to flames. The crux of this alarming situation lies in a specific battery chemistry, NMC, nickel manganese cobalt, which is responsible for a staggering 95% of these fires. However, there's a glimmer of hope amidst the turmoil. China, a prominent player in the global electric vehicle market, is making a strategic shift away from this combustible battery chemistry. Let's find out the details in this video. A series of unsettling incidents have unfolded in China's electric vehicle landscape, sparking a heated debate about the safety of these eco-friendly cars. The scenes are almost surreal, electric cars catching fire after accidents, seemingly without warning. These alarming occurrences have triggered a pressing question in the minds of many. Are electric cars truly safe, and is there a way to make them even safer? Take, for instance, the recent case of a Tesla Model S. Just days ago, this high-tech marvel met a tragic end as it collided headlong into a solid concrete wall. What happened next was nothing short of a nightmare. The impact triggered a swift and ferocious combustion, engulfing the car in a fierce blaze. Even more heart-wrenching was the fact that the driver, unable to extricate themselves from the vehicle, met a fiery demise. It's a grim reminder that the dangers of electric car accidents can escalate rapidly, leaving little room for escape. Yet this isn't an isolated incident. Other electric car brands like BYD and NIO have also experienced similar catastrophic fires. The sheer diversity of manufacturers affected suggests a deeper underlying issue within the industry. It's as if a ticking time bomb resides within these vehicles, waiting for an accident to ignite the fatal spark. Amidst the chaos, a vital lesson is lurking, one that seems to have escaped the spotlight. Surprisingly, the mainstream media and industry analysts are missing a crucial point: the type of battery chemistry utilized in these electric vehicles. It boils down to 2 primary categories: lithium iron phosphate, LFP, and lithium ternary, NMC batteries. LFP batteries, often referred to as lithium iron phosphate, hold a distinct advantage when it comes to safety. Even in the event of a fire, their chemistry is less prone to rapid combustion. The fire tends to burn at a slower pace, buying occupants precious moments to escape potential disaster. These batteries may not be completely immune to combustion, but they offer a more forgiving window of time in the face of adversity. Conversely, the lithium ternary batteries, NMC, which often contain a mix of nickel, manganese, and cobalt, present a more alarming risk. When accidents occur, these batteries have the potential to transform a collision into a catastrophic conflagration within seconds. The speed and intensity at which these batteries can ignite leave occupants dangerously exposed and often without a chance to escape. The repercussions of these incidents are far-reaching. They not only raise questions about the engineering and safety measures of electric vehicles, but also underscore the pressing need for a comprehensive shift towards safer battery chemistry. This is where China, a significant player in the global electric vehicle market, enters the picture. China's strategic move away from NMC batteries towards the safer LFP chemistry is a beacon of hope in this tumultuous landscape. With more than 60% of the world's electric cars being manufactured and sold in China, their transition holds valuable insights for the entire industry. By learning from their progressive steps and focusing on safer battery technologies, the world can collectively chart a course toward a more secure and confident electric vehicle future. High-profile incidents involving brands like NIO and BYD have spotlighted the issue. BYD's plug-in hybrid cars, in particular, have faced intense scrutiny due to their use of lithium ternary, NMC batteries, a type that has been linked to many of these hazardous fires. The thread connecting these catastrophic events is glaringly clear. The majority of these devastating fires are occurring in vehicles equipped with lithium ternary, NMC batteries. However, it's essential to note that the challenges extend beyond a single manufacturer. While Tesla, for instance, has also witnessed its share of high-profile accidents resulting in fires, it's not alone in this struggle. The underlying chemistry of NMC batteries remains a significant contributing factor to these incidents. Consider, for example, a Chevrolet Corvette, a plug-in hybrid model that succumbed to a relentless fire, reducing the vehicle to mere ashes. The intensity of these battery fires is remarkable, evidenced by the Corvette's near-total destruction. Only the aluminum rims remained recognizable. Everything else was obliterated. Such extreme temperatures serve as a grim testament to the urgency of addressing the battery chemistry issue. Thankfully, there's a promising glimmer on the horizon. The industry is increasingly shifting away from the risky lithium ternary, NMC battery chemistry, in favor of the safer lithium iron phosphate, LFP option. This transition is driven by a convergence of factors that go beyond safety. While LFP batteries may offer slightly less range compared to their NMC counterparts, they hold significant advantages. LFP batteries are notably cheaper to produce, have longer lifespans, and crucially, can be charged to 100% without causing significant battery degradation. This presents a dilemma for automakers like Hyundai, Kia, Mercedes, BMW, and Audi, which predominantly rely on NMC batteries due to the perceived range benefits. However, a closer examination reveals that these touted range advantages might not hold up in real-world scenarios. NMC batteries require careful charging practices to prevent damage, reducing their effective range over time. This casts doubt on whether their touted advantages truly outweigh the benefits of safer and more cost-effective LFP batteries. China, a key player in the electric vehicle market, is leading the way by embracing the shift towards LFP batteries. Tesla, too, has been proactive, incorporating LFP batteries into a significant portion of its vehicles. This strategic move has contributed to a notable reduction in the occurrence of catastrophic fires in Tesla's fleet. Now, in the ever-evolving landscape of electric vehicles, a new and crucial player has entered the scene: the LMFP, lithium manganese iron phosphate battery, sometimes referred to as the M3P battery. This innovation combines the safety and reliability of lithium iron phosphate, LFP batteries, with the energy density advantages of ternary lithium batteries, like NMC batteries. As a result, LMFP batteries are now approaching the energy density levels of their NMC counterparts. This shift is monumental, as it effectively erases any substantial advantage of choosing an NMC battery over an LMFP one. As a conscientious EV shopper, it's paramount to consider the heart of your vehicle, its battery chemistry. Before making a purchase, take a moment to delve into the specifics. Educate yourself on whether the vehicle you're eyeing comes with the safer, more reliable LMFP battery or the riskier NMC alternative. A telling illustration of the need for scrutiny lies in the realm of battery recalls. Consider the following question: which battery company has had more recalls over the past 2 years than all other battery companies combined? The answer, unequivocally, is LG Chem. Their realm of operation centers around manufacturing NMC batteries, adding to the growing body of evidence highlighting the challenges and hazards associated with this chemistry. This predicament begs a critical question: where should the industry steer to ensure both safety and longevity? The answer, in my view, lies in a continued move away from NMC batteries. By embracing safer alternatives like LMFP batteries, the electric vehicle sector can fortify its reputation for safety and simultaneously boost its long-term viability. This transition carries far-reaching implications, extending beyond the technicalities of battery chemistry. An underlying current of public perception is at play, one that can significantly influence the trajectory of electric vehicle adoption. Catastrophic car fires not only endanger lives, but also cast shadows of doubt on the safety of electric vehicles. An unfortunate side effect is the potential to dissuade potential EV buyers, perpetuating the misconception that gasoline-powered cars are safer. Imagine for a moment a world where every electric car rolling off assembly lines is equipped with an LMFP battery. The result? A notable reduction in catastrophic fires, less fear-driven media coverage, and a stronger public trust in electric vehicles. This shift would not only benefit the industry's growth, but also promote a safer and greener future. The advantages of LMFP batteries extend beyond safety. Unlike their NMC counterparts, LMFP batteries don't rely on cobalt, a material notorious for its often unethical and environmentally damaging sourcing practices. By sidestepping cobalt, electric vehicles can become more ethical and sustainable, aligning more closely with the eco-friendly ethos that underpins the EV movement. This transformative shift is already underway. Manufacturers in China, a pivotal player in the electric vehicle realm, are increasingly turning to LMFP batteries due to the compelling reasons outlined. Other automakers are taking note, mirroring Tesla's footsteps and aligning themselves with the safer lithium iron phosphate chemistry. In the end, the tale of two chemistries, NMC and LMFP, encapsulates a crucial narrative in the electric vehicle industry. It's a story of progress, safety, and ethical responsibility. As the industry advances, the choice between these two chemistries stands as a pivotal crossroads, one that could shape the future of transportation and drive us toward a world where electric vehicles are synonymous with both innovation and safety. So what are your thoughts about the ongoing battery debate, NMC versus LMFP? Which one is better? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.